All right, so this is an updated tour of the Cors Canah house. I did a little short the other day, kind of giving you an update, but this is an actual video form for you guys. A big day here at the Cors Canah house. You might see it over there, but I'll show you here in a second. So fireplace is almost done. We still got to put the tile. I've got some tile and then clean up the inside and put some new wood grate, or the grates in there. Decided to go with black trim in this room with the black accent wall, the black door, and we've got a nice black chandelier that's gonna be going up. But as you can see, we have light. So happy today. Finally, a year and like 3, 4, 5 months later, we finally have light turned on. We are one step closer. Encore is still sitting outside, but we are one step closer. We are just finishing up basically all the window trim and the window sills. Getting that all painted up, puttied up. And then we had to retouch some of the ceiling that had holes in there from the electric guys. So these lights will be going back in really soon. And as soon as we're done with the windows, immediately following that is going to be the flooring. And then right after that will be the cabinetry. So windows came out super nice. I'm really happy with the way the windows came out. Really good look. These are dirty, got some junk in there, but really like the way the windows came out. That chimney still got to be touched up and painted again. I've got a couple breakers that are popping, or that there's a short, so there might be a couple rooms that have no light like the study. But yeah, got the AC guy now that we have electricity. I'm gonna have the AC guy come out, finish up the electrical. This all still needs to be textured and painted. This is the half bath. Still gotta put a light in there. I've got a small little floating sink that's just kind of sitting there awkwardly, messing up my paint, but I'll fix that. But the little floating sink, or floating cabinet, a sink, and then obviously the toilet. Pretty simple in here. I was really stoked to see what the chandelier looked like. So, on. So let's go upstairs. Really like that chandelier. The wall needs to be cleaned up, but I do like the accent wall. We'll go with the master. Oh, this room has no... This room might be one of the ones that have a short. So this tub has to be pushed more towards the wall. But I have let's see here. I've got a drain pipe that needs to be cut to size. I'm kind of blocking it, so can't really do that. Gonna finish up this. But this bathroom is just about there. Kind of dark right here, but I've got 2 mirrors that go here, and the 2 mirrors have lights. Fireplace. His closet. Nope, no light. No cold in here. Also no light in the sunroom, but man, those windows came out. I was really worried about the windows. I still kind of am because a lot of them don't open. They're so old, but I wasn't about to take them all out and replace all the windows. So refurbish them as good as we can was the next best option. Then you've got the actual master closet or her closet. This will have built-ins. Lights do work here. Man, it looks totally different with lights on, even during the day. These have a remote somewhere. I wonder if the remote needs to be turned on. Have to find a remote control. The Jack and Jill bathroom. Lights are working. Double sink, double mirrors with lights. Obviously in the toilet. But yeah, it looks really good. And in this room, still working on. You got no fan. Really have to find the remotes for these. Closet light works. It still has to be textured and painted here. And because I was told in one of my videos I must be scared to go upstairs, we'll go show you upstairs again one more time. Looks like the lights are working up here. Somebody turned them on. I didn't. Ooh, yeah. It looks amazing. So these window panes will be fixed. I've called the glass company to come out again. There's like 4 of them up here. These must be, oh yeah, we do have light in here. Very good. Very nice. Oh, lighting. These lights are gonna have to change out to the, I don't like this like yellow type of light. Well, that just came off of my hands. They have to put them in the, there you go, in the, what do you call it? Daytime lights or whatever it's called. Yeah. There's the attic, guys. So that is the update on the Cors Canah house. I am hoping a couple more months. Hopefully by the end of February, early March, we will be a little further along and be able to put it on the market. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, smash the notification bell to stay updated with all my projects. See you guys on the next one.